Hi guys, my name is Andy and today we're going to make an origami parrot. Alright, let's begin. I have my origami paper has two different colors because the head is going to be a different color from the body. Because I want the body to be blue, I'm going to start off with the yellow side. Okay, first of all you want to fold it in half into a triangle. Okay. And now we want this edge to line up with this edge. And this edge to line up with this edge. Same thing on the other side. Okay. And now we're gonna fold this side backwards. Okay. And now we're going to put it like this. We're gonna open it up because we want this half right here to match up with this line. Watch. It's gonna look like that. There. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. And now we're gonna make the legs. So just fold them like this. And make sure you fold the same amount on the other side. Because I want to do exactly the same, I'm just gonna fold it like this and make sure it's the same. I'm gonna open it back up later. Alright, open it back up, and now I need the tail. So fold it as high as you can, and fold it back out. Okay. And put the tail under the legs. So yours should look like this right now. Now we're gonna fold it in half. And we're gonna make the head. I mean the beak. Like that. And grab the tail and we're gonna tilt it a bit. And that's it. That's the parrot. Thank you for watching my video. On my next video we'll be doing some origami. Thank you.